Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on the last day of December in the year 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since November 19th, 2024, our system has ranked Apple as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of negative 0.48. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 9.7% since we initially recommended purchasing Apple 29 days ago. This results in an average return of 0.33% per day since it was classified as hold or accumulate. The stock is currently positioned in the midst of a strong upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are likely. The existing 3-month trend points to a potential change of approximately 12.47% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 7.33% to 16.96%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of about 42.99% over the next year, with potential returns between 25.5% and 48.43%. This suggests a projected price range of approximately $314.29 to $371.70 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Apple includes the headline, Apple stock price down 0.706% on Tuesday. The Apple stock price fell by 0.706% on the last day, Tuesday, the 31st of December, 2024, from $252.20 to $250.42. It has now decreased for 3 consecutive days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 1.54%, reaching a low of $249.44 and a high of $253.28. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days, but remains down by 0.25% over this period. The trading volume increased on the last day by 820,000 shares, despite the declining prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 35 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $8.720 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $260.09, while the lowest price was $164.08. Currently, the price sits 3.72%, or $9.67, below the 52-week high of $260.09, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Apple Inc. is currently experiencing a notable moment as its stock hovers near all-time highs, buoyed by broader tech market enthusiasm. The company has demonstrated solid growth, particularly in its services sector, which has significantly contributed to its overall performance. However, there are mixed signals regarding the impact of generative artificial intelligence on the company's outlook, with some analysts downgrading ratings amid concerns about valuations reaching historic levels. As we look ahead to 2025, it's crucial to consider Apple's strategic preparations, which could influence its ability to maintain growth and market leadership amidst a competitive landscape. Tim Cook's agenda includes navigating potential challenges, particularly with geopolitical dynamics involving China and a changing United States administration. The stock's performance this year has been robust, showing a 33% gain in 2024, yet there are warnings that the current valuation may pose risks for future returns. The prospect of Apple reaching a $4 trillion market cap remains in focus, which, while a significant milestone, could lead to heightened scrutiny over its financial metrics and leverage. Investors will need to balance enthusiasm for Apple's innovative initiatives, like its advancements in artificial intelligence, against concerns over inflated valuations. In the short term, market sentiment may continue to drive the stock higher, but in the long term, analysts urge caution as the company's financial health will play a pivotal role in sustaining growth momentum. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 18th of December, 2024, it was reported that Daiwa assigned Apple Inc. a grade of outperform with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 3rd of December, 2024, Evercore ISI also gave Apple Inc. a grade of outperform with a hold action. On Monday, the 2nd of December, 2024, UBS rated Apple Inc. as neutral with a hold action. On the same day, Jefferies assigned a hold grade to Apple Inc. with a corresponding hold action. Finally, on Friday, the 29th of November, 2024, Wedbush rated Apple Inc. with an outperform grade alongside a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Apple stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Apple. The Apple stock currently presents a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, a buy signal is indicated from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average, there is an overall buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. Should the stock continue to rise, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $255. Conversely, if the stock declines, it is expected to find support from the long-term average at around $241. A breakout above the short-term average would trigger a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average would prompt a sell signal. There have also been some negative signals that may affect short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top on Thursday, December 26, 2024, and to date, the stock has decreased by 3.32%. Additional declines are suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Yesterday, volume increased as prices fell, which could serve as an early warning. Therefore, it is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 4 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 5 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 29 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 25 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 30 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 35 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 156 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop-loss levels for Apple. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $233.85 and $232.87. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If this level is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Apple finds support just below today's level at $233.85. If this level is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $232.87 and $224.23. This stock is typically traded at a good volume, and with minor daily changes, the risk is considered to be low. Over the last day, the stock moved $3.84, which is 1.54% between its high and low. For the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 1.39%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Apple, let's briefly discuss some key fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important measure compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued, or it could suggest that investors are anticipating significant growth in the future. In related news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 30th of January, 2025. Analysts predict a consensus estimate of $2.36. It's important to monitor these figures as they can have a substantial effect on stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $251.04. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a potential point for swing trading. On the downside, Apple faces its first support level at $233.85. If this support level holds, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Let's delve into some recent insider trades. On the 16th of December, 2024, Jeffrey E. Williams conducted an insider sale of 13,925 shares of common stock. On the same day, he also conducted an insider sale of 34,752 shares of common stock. Additionally, on that date, he sold 42,939 shares of common stock. He concluded that day with an insider sale of 8,384 shares of common stock. Earlier, on the 15th of November, 2024, Arthur D. Levinson conducted an insider sale of 75,000 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades reveals a negative insider power with a ratio of negative 28.885. In total, insiders purchased 2,060,786 shares and sold 3,807,852 shares in these last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $240.28, which reflects a decrease of 4.05%. This stock exhibits low daily movements, resulting in a lower risk profile. Additionally, there is a sell signal indicated by a pivot top identified 3 days ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? Apple presents several negative signals, suggesting it may be a candidate for selling. However, given the potential for a turnaround, it could be viewed as a hold or accumulation opportunity while we wait for further developments. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 2nd of January, we anticipate that Apple will open at approximately 627 cents and begin trading at $251.05. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor prior to purchasing or selling any securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.